Hello researchers, in this session we will learn about types of articles. Myself, Dr. V.K. Bairagi, working as professor in ENTC department of AISSMS Institute of Information Technology, Pune. These are the contents of my presentation. We will learn about types of scientific articles, characteristics of scientific articles, and finally we will discuss about when to write which type of article during the journey of research. These are the categories of research articles. The scientific articles are broadly classified into three main categories: full-length article, short article, magazine article. Let's know about them one by one. Full-length articles are characterized by their page length, typically 4 to 8 printed pages, containing average 5000 to 8000 words. There are two types of full-length article: review paper and research paper. Review papers are also called as survey paper. Usually they are based on study of others' paper. In review papers, you have to express others' work in your own language and words. A detailed analysis and comparison of your selected papers on particular topic is expected in review paper. Typically, 20 to 40 recent papers on particular topic are selected for the comparison. After detailed analysis of recent paper in your selected particular domain, one must clearly identify the research gaps in the recently published literature. If possible, suggest the possible solution to these identified research gaps, so that even if you are not working on these solutions, someone else who is the reader of your paper might get motivated to do the research. Second category of full-length paper is research paper. Research papers are based on author's own research. In research paper, authors are expressing their own research work, which includes experimentation, observations, and their correct interpretation. It includes block diagram, flow charts, algorithm, figures, tables, and graph. The research paper also contains the comparison of author's research work with other recently published similar kind of research work. It also contains discussion and conclusion based on author's experiments. The conclusion section of the research paper is characterized by future scope, which is the research direction to the other researcher. The second major type of articles is short article. The short articles contains book review, communications to the editor, or the later type of research article. Laters are the short research article characterized by their page length, usually around 2 pages only. These are characterized by their rapid publication process. Usually, authors will get decision of their submitted paper in 4 to 5 weeks only, and the beauty of the decision is that the decision is binary, that is, either accept as it is or reject. Otherwise, full-length paper have 4 types of decisions, which includes accept the paper with few corrections, major or minor. If authors have cutting-edge results, then they can go through such kind of rapid publication. Routine, small incremental results findings are not recommended for a later category of the publication. This is the example of later category of research article. See that it's just 2-page article containing 1 or 2 tables, 1 or 2 figures, along with limited 8 to 10 references. Third major type of scientific article is magazine article. There are 2 types of magazine articles, technical and non-technical. Here we are discussing only about technical magazines. Magazine articles are informative for general audience. Usually it covers broad subject and topics. Coming to the end of presentation, let's discuss about when to write which type of paper. If you are at the beginning of your research journey and you are ready with literature survey, then you can write review paper. When you have your own experiments, observations and reading, you can write research paper. Initial results you can present in conference, where expert judges of reputed conference will give you further direction to your initial research. Later on, with full results and experimentations, you can go for journal publication. If you have cutting edge results and you want fast publication, then you can go for later type of research paper. And finally, at the end of your research, when you have a broad vision of the domain, you can write a magazine article which can be understood by general audience. Thank you. These are the references for further reading. I am the author of this book on research methodology, published by CRC Press. Teachers can download free chapters from CRC Press website for their reference.